In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Bandlab app. If you are experiencing any challenge with the app, maybe you can't use it, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, there are 4 methods you can use to solve this. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do that, just head over to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and then go ahead and look for your app, and here it is. Or you can search for your app using the search option here. So if I tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. This is where we shall begin our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and find your app. And once you are on your app, just long press on it and you should see app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. This will clear all the cache data for your app. Now restart your smartphone and then open your app. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, should this not solve your problem, then come back again to app info page and again go to clear data, and this time around choose clear all data and OK. At this point, you'll need to log in afresh to see if this has solved your problem. In most cases, now your app should be up and running without any issue. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and search for this app through your Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and search for Bandlab Music Making Studio and look for any update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Bandlab app that might be prone to issues or malfunctioning. Once you've updated it, now you should be able to use your app without any issue. But should you still find any challenge, it means maybe your app contains bugs, and for this you need to go ahead and install it and then install it afresh for you to have a fresh new Bandlab app on your Android smartphone. So by using any of these 4 methods, you should be able to fix your app and have it running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.